Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, I run an eco-friendly blog called mygreenest.com where I try to help new mamas parent in a more eco-friendly way. So I've decided to do a little mini series on Medela breast pump parts or just breastfeeding accessories in general. Now I've actually already created a full video talking about all the Medela breast pump accessories that you can purchase. If you want to see the full video, I'll link it down below along with any of the products I talk about in this video. However, today I'm just going to focus on the Medela silicone nipple shield. I'll also link down below my most popular blog post to date, which is how to get a free breast pump with or without insurance. So I hope you guys check all that out, but without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. The first Medela accessory that I want to talk about is the Medela silicone nipple shield. Now I've talked about this before, and for me it was a lifesaver. I had a very hard time pumping and breastfeeding in the beginning, so when I wanted to give my nipple a little bit of a break and some protection from being rubbed raw, I would slap on this bad boy. It made breastfeeding a little more bearable for me. And after a couple of months, everything was smooth sailing, so I didn't really need it much after that. Also, if you have really short or inverted nipples, it can be very hard to get a good latch. So using one of these can help enable some moms to breastfeed who otherwise wouldn't have been able to. The one that I'm going to link below comes with two, and it has a case. You don't have to get the Medela brand, but it's the one that I have experience using and I really like it. And sometimes a latch consultant will even give you one for free at the hospital if you ask. Now there are a couple of things that I do want you guys to keep in mind about using a nipple shield, and one of them is that a lot of breastfeeding consultants aren't going to encourage using a nipple shield, so don't be surprised if they discourage the use of one, and the reason for that is because sometimes a baby can get dependent on using the nipple shield and they won't take the breast. Now I didn't have any problems with this, my kids did fine, but it is something that can happen, so just be aware of that. However, I feel like these things were definitely worth their weight in gold. They gave me just enough relief to keep me going and continue breastfeeding until I got used to it. The only thing that was really irritating about using these is that these are completely clear, and so anytime I dropped them in the bed or dropped them on the floor, I had the hardest time trying to find them. I feel like they were like my keys. I lost them all the time. So if they could just make these in hot pink or neon yellow, that would be very, very helpful. Well, that's basically it for this short little video, and like I said, if you want to learn more about all the breastfeeding accessories that Medela has to offer, I did a complete video about that. I would absolutely love for you guys to check it out. I did put a lot of work into it, but if not, I hope to catch you guys in the next video.